Okay. Lecture number 20. Exercise number 14.3. Example number 2. Which we have left. આગળ આપણે example number 2 છોડી દીધેલો. આગળના પહેલા કરી કાઢેલા. હવે આપણે જોઈએ છે example number 2. Just I will read. If the median of the distributions given below 28.5, find the value of missing frequency x and y. આપણે મીનમાં જે રીતે મિસિંગ ફ્રીક્વન્સી શોધતા હતા તે રીતે અહીંયા આગળ મીડિયનને રિલેટેડ આપણે શોધશું. You are given the value of median. What is the value of median? Median n is equal to 28.5 and total number of frequency 60. It is given here only. Be careful. Okay, so first of all find the median class. પહેલામાં તો આપણે n by 2 કરીને કરતા. આના અંદર you cannot do it like this way. You are given the value of median class. What is the value of median class? 28.5. In which class it is lies? કયા ક્લાસમાં આવે છે 28.5? Yes, you will get in this class 20 to 30. So your median class is 20 to 30. So median 28.5 lies in the class. So median class 20 to 30. Frequency of the median class. What is the frequency of median class? 20. Cumulative frequency. Yes. Now we have to find the cumulative frequency. You know it. 5 plus x. 5 plus 20, 25 plus x, 25 plus 50, 15, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, 45 plus x plus y. Total number of frequency 60. Here if you add it, then you will get 45 plus x plus y. That means 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Therefore, x plus y 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 50. That is equations number 1. Second equations we will get from this formula. Cumulative of the preceding class of the median class. Median class now ઉપરના ક્લાસની cumulative frequency કેટલી છે 5 plus x. 5 plus x. Class size of the median class 30 minus 20. X is equal to 10. Lower limit of the median class L is equal to 20. L is equal to 20. Now substitute all this value m, l, n by 2 cf upon f into h. This formula is most important. M. What is the value of m? 28.5. What is the value of l? L is equal to 20. N by 2 60 by 2 minus cf. Cf is equal to 5 plus x. Be careful. You have to write like this way. 5 plus x into h upon f. F means 20. H means 10. 0, 0 cancel. 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 60 upon 2. 30 minus 5 minus x. Be careful for this point. Upon 2. 8.5 multiplied by 2. 30 minus 5. 25 minus x. 17 minus 25 is equal to minus x. Therefore, minus 8 is equal to minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 8. First value you will get it. That is equations number 2. Putting the value of x here. Putting the value of x in equation 1. 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. That is your answer. That is your missing frequency. Okay. Now I will take one extra examples in which you have to find only less than type frequency and more than type frequency. Find the less than type and more than type cumulative frequency of the following frequency distributions table. ફક્ત આપણે શું શોધવાનું છે less than type and more than type. That is a part of examples. Example નો એક નાનો ભાગ છે. Okay. તમારે in next lecture we will start to draw the various curves of less than type and more than type. Just we will prepare it. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 7, 5, 8 and so on. Less than type, which you have to use lower limit. Less than upper limit. Upper limit. Less than my upper limit and more than my lower limit. Lower limit of the class. અહીંયા આગળ upper limit કઈ છે 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Upper limit of the preceding class less than 10. Less than 10. What is the frequency of less than 10? Suppose you are written here 0 to 10. Frequency is not given. That means it is a 0. Less than 20. 7 plus 0. 7. Then 7 plus 5. In previous sums we have taken it. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 14, 44. 44 plus 6, 50. આપણે આ બધા સમ્સ ઘણા બધા સમ્સ ના અંદર જોયું કે કેવી રીતે શોધવાનું તે ઓકે નાઉ બી કેરફુલ in more than type what you have to taken here lower limit of the class તો આના અંદર 10 to 20 lower limit કઈ છે 10 તો I will write here 10 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. 70 is not good. But what is your successive study? 70 to 80, 0. Okay? Successive classes. આપણે એમ જોઈએ કે આના પછીનો ક્લાસ કયો આવે એની ફ્રીક્વન્સી નથી આપી that means it is a 0 just to know it. Now more than 10. What is the more than 10? Total number of frequency. Total number of frequency is 50. Total number of frequency is 50. So you will take it 50. More than 10. Then more than 20. How many students will be sit? 7. 50 minus 7. 50 minus 7 is equal to 43. Is equal to 43. Okay? It is 43. Next, 43 minus 5. 43 minus 5. 38. 38 minus 5. What is the 38 minus 8? It is 30. Next, 10. 30 minus 10. 20. Next, 20 minus 14. 6. 6 minus 6. 0. Get it? That is your more than type frequency. That is your more than type frequency. Okay.